Welcome to Kiddo Giggle and Grow. Today, we learn about most famous fruit's name. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.
This is a banana. A long yellow fruit, soft and sweet inside, gives kids instant energy, helps them grow strong, and keeps them always smiling happily. This is an apple. A round red fruit, juicy and crunchy, keeps our body healthy, makes kids smart, and tastes so sweet that everyone loves it. This is an orange. A bright round fruit full of sweet juice and vitamin C makes kids strong, keeps them fresh, and spreads cheerful happiness everywhere. This is a mango. Golden and juicy, called the king of fruits, it tastes so sweet, brings joy in summer, and makes every kid feel special. This is a pineapple. A spiky fruit, golden inside with sweet and tangy juice, refreshes children, boosts health, and feels like sunshine in every tasty bite. This is grapes. Small round fruits, green, red, or purple, sweet and juicy, fun to eat, give kids energy, and make their little hearts happy. This is a watermelon. Big and round, green outside and red inside, filled with sweet juice, refreshes children on hot days, and spreads cool happiness everywhere. This is a papaya. Soft orange fruit, sweet and healthy, easy to eat, helps kids stay strong, makes tummy happy, and brings a smile every time. This is a kiwi. A small brown fruit, green inside, soft, juicy, and tangy, full of vitamin C, makes kids fresh, strong, and ready to play. This is a lemon. A small yellow fruit, sour but refreshing, filled with vitamin C, keeps kids healthy, brightens drinks, and makes every meal taste exciting. This is a lime. Green and round, sour and juicy, adds freshness everywhere, full of vitamin C, keeps kids strong, and makes drinks taste bright and cool. This is a pear. A green fruit, soft, juicy, and sweet, shaped like a bell, loved by kids, keeps them healthy, and makes every bite delightful. This is a peach. A round fruit with soft skin, juicy inside, golden and sweet, loved by children, fills hearts with joy, and spreads fruity happiness. This is a plum. Small round fruit, purple or red, juicy and tangy, keeps kids healthy, makes snacks fun, and adds sweet smiles to every little face. This is an apricot. Small golden fruit, soft and sweet, filled with goodness, makes children healthy, brightens their day, and spreads joy with every little delicious bite. This is a strawberry. Small and red, shaped like a heart, covered with tiny seeds, sweet and tangy flavor, makes kids cheerful and full of joy. This is a blueberry. Tiny blue fruit, juicy and sweet, filled with goodness, makes kids smart and happy, brings energy, and feels magical with every single bite. This is a raspberry. Small red fruit, soft and juicy, sweet yet tangy, makes kids smile, fills their hearts with joy, and spreads fruity happiness around. This is a blackberry. Dark purple fruit, shiny and sweet, tiny and juicy, gives kids energy, keeps them happy, and makes every snack more exciting and fun. This is a cranberry. Small red fruit, tangy and bright, loved in juice, makes kids healthy, adds fun taste, and spreads refreshing happiness in every sip. This is a boysenberry. A juicy berry, dark purple, sweet and tangy, keeps kids healthy, makes snacks tasty, and brings cheerful smiles with every delicious bite. This is a gooseberry. Small green fruit, sour yet healthy, makes kids strong, gives vitamin power, refreshes the body, and adds excitement to every little bite. This is an elderberry. Tiny dark purple fruit, juicy and sweet, full of health power, keeps kids strong, makes drinks tasty, and spreads magical fruity happiness. This is a mulberry. Long purple fruit, soft and sweet, filled with juicy flavor, gives children energy, makes snacks fun, and brings joy to happy faces. This is a cloudberry. Golden orange fruit, juicy and rare, sweet and tangy, makes kids curious, fills them with joy, and feels like sunshine in every bite. This is a lychee. Small red fruit, white inside, sweet and juicy, soft to eat, loved by kids, makes them smile, and brings refreshing, fruity joy. This is a longan. Small round fruit, brown outside, clear inside, juicy and sweet, makes kids happy, keeps them fresh, and adds magic to every taste. This is a dragon fruit. Bright pink fruit, white inside with black seeds, looks magical, tastes sweet, makes kids curious, healthy, and excited with every fun bite. This is a mangosteen. Purple round fruit, white inside, juicy and sweet, called Queen of Fruits, makes kids smile, keeps them healthy, and spreads fruity happiness. This is a rambutan. Hairy red fruit, white inside, juicy and sweet, looks funny, tastes yummy, makes kids laugh, and fills their hearts with joy. This is a jackfruit. Big green fruit, yellow inside, soft and sweet, loved by kids, makes tummies happy, gives energy, and spreads joy everywhere. This is a durian. Big, spiky fruit, creamy inside, strong smell, but sweet taste, loved in some places, makes kids curious, and gives energy and fun. This is a star fruit. Golden green fruit shaped like a star, juicy and tangy, looks magical, makes kids happy, and spreads shining joy in every bite. This is a guava. Green fruit, pink or white inside, sweet and crunchy, full of vitamin C, makes kids healthy, strong, and joyful every single day. This is a passion fruit. Round purple fruit, yellow inside, tangy and sweet, loved in juice, makes kids curious, brings joy, and fills them with fruity freshness. This is a tangerine. Small orange fruit, easy to peel, juicy and sweet, loved by children, keeps them strong, and fills their hearts with sunny joy. This is a mandarin. Bright orange fruit, soft and juicy, easy to eat, makes kids happy, gives energy, and spreads cheerful smiles in every bite. This is a grapefruit. Big round fruit, pink inside, tangy and juicy, filled with vitamins, makes kids strong, keeps them fresh, and spreads fruity happiness. This is a cantaloupe. Round melon, orange inside, soft and sweet, full of water, cools kids in summer, makes them happy, and spreads refreshing joy. This is a loquat. Small golden fruit, soft and juicy, sweet and tangy, keeps children healthy, makes snacks fun, and brings joy in every delicious bite.